Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking immediate access. Open the Instagram login and attempt sign-in so you trigger the confirm it's you flow. Once done, make sure your email inbox and phone can receive codes. This is why you need an active address and SMS reception. Prepare a government ID photo and a selfie, good lighting, full name visible. This speeds automated checks. If available, note recent login details like approximate time and device model to reference during the review. You now follow Instagram's prompt step by step. Tap Get Started. Then select Confirm Your Identity and choose the ID upload option. Take your time to upload clear JPG or PNG images, one photo of your ID and one live selfie that matches the ID. Once uploaded, enter any 6-digit code sent to your email or SMS. If you don't receive it, check spam and alternate folders, then request a new code. Make sure file names are simple and under 5 MB for smoother processing. You finish by submitting and then waiting for review. Instagram often responds within 24 to 72 hours, so watch in-app notifications and your email closely. If the verification fails, do not panic. Retry with better lighting, a different device camera, or an alternate government ID for clarity. Make sure to include approximate login times and device models when you resubmit. If there's still no response after 72 hours, contact Instagram support through the apps. Report a login issue feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.